guys, in front of me is REALME GT7 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first open your phone dialer. Now go to contacts if you are not in this panel and mark the one that you want to add profile picture to. Now select edit, mark add picture and pick it from your gallery. You can open your camera to grab a photo straight away. You can choose something from Google Photos, you can create monogram or add some illustration. Just whatever you prefer, but I'll grab one from my own device photos, for example this one. Then you can rotate it however you like, mark choose and then select save. So that's it, that will be all. From now on this photo is assigned to selected contact. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.